श्रद्धा मैम। खुद की तू तलाश कर, खुद की तू तलाश कर, अपने वजूद की तलाश कर। हताश क्यों है तू, खुद के वजूद की तलाश कर। Good morning everyone, myself Mamta and I'm here, your speaker, to speak on the topic sensitization. Sensitization on gender. So here we are organizing this one to make you more aware and how the things are in order to understand the change in the society. Don't you? Isn't it? We still not stuck in the last generation thinking, several thinking, new approaches were evolving, changing in the environment as well as changing in the nature as well as in the behavior each and every minute, each and every day, isn't it? So, may I request you to be receptive, pay attention and concentrate as well as participate in this whole session. Surely you are going to have, not only you are, we are going to have many more things which should be inculcated in our day-to-day life in order to remove those social taboos which we are having now. So in our first session, where our principal sir had just delivered the things about the gender equality. Okay, so before that, as we are going to sit for a very long period of time, so I would like to make you to do some exercises. So you all are ready with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so as we were talking about the gender stereotype, did you observe that what the way in which we are sitting here in the classroom? Doesn't it resemble that it is also a stereotype sitting arrangement? Isn't it?
Yes.
So I would like to just suffer you all guys. Okay, so you all just remember your roll number which I am going to allot you, and on the same manner you have to sit. Okay, can you do sir or is it okay with you? Okay, so that is roll number 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and 2. Okay, is it okay with you? Now all roll number 1 used to sit on that bench. Roll number 1 of first lot, roll number 1 of these two lines used to sit there. मैंने जितने को रोल नंबर 1 दिया है वो सभी इधर आ जाए और 2 वाले जो हैं वो इधर आ जाए. Okay, so first roll number ma'am, and not from one or more than 2. No, equally identical. I think most of you have forwarded your roll numbers. Okay, no issue. Ma'am, you come here. You come here. Sir, you please sit here. Next question. The next question. So you. So ma'am, there. Mommy, Thomas? Yeah. Sir, please. Right there. Ma'am, you can sit there.
There is my seat, ma'am.
Sir, last bench. Third bench. Sir? Yeah. Next bench. Ma'am, you go. Ruchita ma'am, you can come, sir. And the two teachers there, that very bench. You, both of you can sit there. In the chair is last class. Because we were talking about the stereotypes, so first we have to start from ourselves, isn't it? जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं पहले हमें ही उसे मिटाना है, उस मानसिकता को पहले हमें हमारे अंदर लाना है. हम क्यों बैठे ऐसे? Know me what I am. I am what I am. won't be what you want to be, isn't it? That try to love yourself, what you are, and all of you say that what I am, I am. I am proud of myself that what I am. I always want to be what I want to be. I want to be that you want to be, isn't it?
Yes, madam.
I think you all are agreed with me.
Yes.
So, indeed, we are going to have an energetic session. Can I have the slides, the very first one? Very first. So, gender sensitivity, sensitization. We were talking about gender sensitization. Earlier in our first session, we had talked about only two genders, that is masculine and feminine gender, isn't it? But our nature had created one more gender. They should be in our discussion because they are the part of our nation. Isn't it? So may I have the next one? What does this represents?
Represent the male and female.
Male and females are equal. One more slide is there. Ma'am, can I have? Not that one. Go down. Yes. And what does this represent? What does this represent? The slide which is in front of you.
Yeah. I think maybe it is called transgender. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, the word transgender made from the two words transition or transfer, whatever we can call it, transfer and gender. So, when you just change the social stereotype, I mean you transfer from one role to another role, that is called transgender, ma'am. I mean, suppose that someone is considered by society as a male and he behaves like a female, so that is a
Sorry to
transfer.
interrupt you, sir. Nobody will write anything on the sheet which is provided to you. You will write only when the time is allowed. Okay? Continue, sir.
Okay, ma'am. So that is a transfer from one role to another role. That is called transgender, ma'am. I mean, they are considered by the society as masculine, but they behave like a feminine. Right? So that is transfer from one role to another role. Yeah, that is called transgender, ma'am.
Anybody else? My question is simply what does this slide use to give information to your mind? As we all are the receptors, stimuli and stimulus. तो ऐसा क्या आपके मस्तिष्क में पहली बार आ रहा है जब आपने इस दृश्य को देखा? Yes.
I think, ma'am, men and women are equal.
Men and women are equal. One more is there, ma'am.
And transgender are also equal.
So here I would like to raise a question that do you think a transgender should be given a chance to work in with us also? How many of you are agreed? Raise your hand. Sir, why you are not agreed? Could you just I'm asking, sir, that transgender should get a chance to work with us also?
Yes.
Sir is completely disagree. Why,
नो
sir?
सर, बिल्कुल ऐसा नहीं है मैम। बिल्कुल ऐसा नहीं है कि मेल फीमेल और ट्रांसजेंडर तीनों की इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है। कुछ दिनों अगर कुछ साल पहले
मेरा क्वेश्चन है क्या मिलना चाहिए आपके अकॉर्डिंग?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल मिलना चाहिए। सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन सबसे पहला तो मैं ये कहना चाह रहा हूँ कि कुछ साल पहले तो फॉर्म में ट्रांसजेंडर का ऑप्शन आया, तो जितना ये सोचने वाली बात है कि फॉर्म तक में सिर्फ मेल और फीमेल का ऑप्शन रहता था, ट्रांसजेंडर का ऑप्शन तक नहीं रहता था, तो बिल्कुल मिलना चाहिए।
So in different forms there is written others. It means somewhere it is given a chance. A platform is being built for them also, and they are also a human being. They are also a human being. That recently I think you all go through the news sessions. How many of you daily used to go with the news sessions? रोज समाचार सुनते हैं आप? सुनते हैं? That recently we heard that a transgender used to help a pregnant different males and female in that very compartment. Only a transgender used to come forward to help a pregnant lady. Have you ever gone through that news?
Yes.
Okay. So, what is the reason behind that one?
Same feeling.
Yeah.
What is the reason behind that one? This one is only, जिसे हम कहते हैं ना, कोहरा तो यूं ही बदनाम है, कोहरा तो यूं ही बदनाम है, नजरिया तो हमारी सोच ने धुंधला कर रखा है. Isn't it?
Yes, that is not perception. We have created perception, and this comes from our conservative thinking.
Okay, so perception is for, I think, its positive aspect, but this one is a social taboo which our society had given, that they can't do anything, they only, but did you have ever thought that they are just living for nothing? They are the selfless, the idol of selflessness. Even they worship the God for our benefit. आपके बच्चे अच्छे हों, आपका अच्छा हो. They don't demand for their self, isn't it, sir? So they are not trying to ask anything for themselves. They are whatever they used to worship, whatever they used to pray, whatever they want is for you. They are having not a family. They are having a family. Even the family members also used to exclude them. Okay. I have heard a small story, not heard a small story, this one is an instance of my neighbor's house. As we are the two sisters of my parent, so there is no stereotype, there is no discrimination. But those parents who are having both son and a daughter, how many of you are having, most are unmarried, but then after also, okay. So there, whenever we used to went in a mall, okay, so what things comes in our mind that, oh, this is blue, this is not fit for a girl, isn't it? And whatever we like, if it is in pink, oh, I have to take this one for my son, this is not fit for a son because pink color represents the girl, isn't it? So, is it a stereotype, madam?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. But I changed it. That's why
Okay.
I-
So this one represents the stereotypes about that we used to went in birthday parties. Okay, if we have to gift someone, whether it is a girl, and we are going to buy for that kitchen set, Barbie dolls, and all that. And if a boy birthday party is there, we used to purchase the doctor set, gun. All these are bikes. What does this implements and reflects of our nature and our behavior? ये क्या reflect करता है हमारे nature behavior को? This one is the discrimination, isn't it? So I would like to have a short video that this will all just change your mindset up. That what we are having in our surrounding and what we are giving to our surrounding. Ma'am, may I have the video, please? It is here on the card. Yes, it's not one.
Which video?
Some else for that one. Some duties.
No, it is in the PPT.
Yeah, so including
So
third
inside
part.
PPT the video is inside.
So,
Third part also.
okay.
Third slide. So this will be.
Video is not.
If it's not working, the next 6 numbers slide you can like the five go through the 5. Power with and power in. Anybody raise your hand. What is the difference between power with and power in? Power with and power in में क्या भिन्नताएं हैं या समानताएं हैं कोई बताए? Yes sir.
In this respect, the closest to
Any respect. Any respect. Okay. No answer is there. Anybody?
Whatever I think that power with means the power that we have given to special genders, okay, or any person, and power in means that we are that is God gifted. Power ins are God gifted that we have already inside us.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So here, power with means collective power. Like recently, means now in this session, I had asked from the song that can I shuffle the seat? So tell me, do as you wish. Okay, this one is power with. That what I am doing is with me. Okay, and next one, what I had asked, power in. Okay, so power in, power for, inferior power, and power over. These are the different types of power which I had collected for you. Power over, like you have to do. You have to do means I am going to compel you. आपको करना ही है. Okay. Power with, it means whatever I am going to do, sir is with me. Okay. This one is power with. And power for. This type of power refers to the ability to confirm and influence someone. Power for, that I am going to sensitize you on gender, and it means I am going to do the power for. I am going to influence you over the same topic. And the third one is interior power. It relates to our interior ability, that how much we are going to influence, how much we are going to overrule, either how much we are going to use the power whatever we are having, isn't it? So this one. Next, the video is not working, otherwise you can see there that sometimes you can analyze. You are having your brother, sister, your siblings there, your son or daughter may be there. That sometimes your son is being dressed up as a girl and playing with her siblings, playing with his siblings. Okay, both siblings were playing, means both the brother and sister were playing together, and the brother had taken the attire of a girl. Suddenly the mother used to came into the room and say, "Hey, why you are dressing like this? Is the way a boy used to dressed up? Go and wear off this one." Isn't? So what does this implements in the child's mind? ये क्या प्रदर्शन करेगा? ये क्या स्थापित करेगा बच्चे की मानसिकता में?
security.
That a boy is never going to dress up like a girl. The boy is not preferred to wear the dresses. They are made for wearing some other type of dress. What we had created, because this one, as sir had already explained, the sex and the gender. Sex is the biological one, and the gender what we acquire from our society. So our dressing sense is according to society or due to the biological reason. हम जो वस्त्र धारण करते हैं ये सोसाइटी की वजह से है या बायोलॉजिकल रीजन की वजह से है? What do you think?
Society.
That I am wearing this sari and the sir is wearing something else. What is the reason behind this one? This one is the biological reason, either something else. Society. That's why today the girls are also wearing the same attire as the male used to, isn't it? We are preferring the same day. The two kids are there, okay, and a boy used to fall off from a swing, झूले से गिर गया, and started crying. The father used to say, "Don't cry like a girl," isn't it? Most of the time, sometimes we teacher also used to give this statement that don't cry like a girl. कहते हैं ना हम लोग? And raise your hand, how many of you are present here that your parents
मैम मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है जैन धर्म में दो तरह का सोसाइटी मतलब दो तरह का उसमें डिवाइड किया गया है श्वेतांबर और दिगंबर। श्वेत धर्म को जो फ्लावर है वो श्वेत वस्त्र धारण करते हैं, लेकिन जो दिगंबर है वो कोई वस्त्र धारण नहीं करते हैं। तो इसमें कौन सा सोसाइटी हम लोग मानते हैं?
सर एक्चुअली ये जो सोसाइटी है ये वस्त्र से निर्धारित नहीं की जा रही है। द डे ऑन विच इफ वी विल बिलीव दैट देयर इज नो जेंडर एट ऑल, इज देयर एनी जेंडर अलॉटेड टू अ स्टूडेंट? इज देयर एनी जेंडर अलॉटेड व्हेन वी आर कॉलिंग एज अ बच्चा? बच्चा कर रही है या कर रहा है ऐसा नहीं कहते हैं। ओके, बिकॉज ऑफ द रीजन टू रिमूव दिस टाइप ऑफ सोशल थिंकिंग। Okay, society is not being justified, clarified, distinguished by our clothes. This one is distinguished, justified, clarified only because of the work and the behavior, thinking, whatever we are having in our mind. ये हमारे कपड़ों से नहीं होता. That according to me, I am just completely against of this religion because of the reason that the God had gifted me a precious life, and instead of doing a better to anybody else or any other creature of this earth, I am going to take a sannyas and whatever that. Is it justified with them? Is it? Not enough. It is better that at least I can able to give my whole and soul to 10 students rather than taking sannyas and all, isn't? So, not going for that, we were talking about the gender. So, the day when we will just equalize all the three genders, male, female and transgender together, the day is not so far where we can say that we are not developing, we are not developed one. Isn't it? हम विकसित कब कहलाएंगे? जब हम अपनी मानसिकता का विकास करेंगे। Only merely by saying that our country is a developing country and we are on the verge of development, it is not possible. That development should be started initially from us only, isn't it? ये development कहाँ से शुरू होना चाहिए? From our soul and whole. Okay? So, these are the things which we have to give importance. One more thing. Yes, I was asking a question. That be present, remind your childhood and raise your hand that how many of you were called by your parent as a beta? Especially the lady department. That raise your hand that how many of your parents used to call you as a beta? What is the reason behind calling you as a beta? Could you justify your statement? Can I have that other one? Yes, sir.
I think my father is nothing but analyst. Simply called beta.
आपने कभी इस पे विचार नहीं किया? You are not likely to just call by your name. आपको जो नाम दिया गया उससे बुलाना सुनना पसंद नहीं करेंगे?
My father is also called my brother.
It would be better that you will answer while standing.
My father is also called my brother beta.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, what about you?
प्यार से बोलते हैं।
प्यार से बोलते हैं. Okay. And all the male teachers who are present here, all the male teachers who are present here, just you are quite comfortable when your father or mother used to call your sister as a beta. Is there any question arises in your mind? कभी आपके मन में मस्तिष्क में ऐसा प्रश्न नहीं आया कि आपके पेरेंट जो हैं आपकी बहन को उसके नाम से ना बुला करके बेटी ना करके बेटा क्यों बुलाते हैं?
I have something to say. I think in our society, beta is considered as superior than the beti. So, in terms of that, the superiority or the the strength, the male. So that's why out of love they are saying that girl child also, that you are also strong, and maybe that could be. So in that time I think that term that इसको बेटी बुला रहे हैं, इसको बेटा बुला रहे हैं, I think बेटा कहने का अर्थ हुआ कि you are also very lovable to me, and then so that doesn't comes in the mind, but I think it's in a positive sense the mother calls that girl child beta. I feel like that.
Okay. Sir, what about you? Yes.
Simply, they show the equal love opportunity to both of them.
Suppose that I'm giving a condition to you that sometimes in a family, a girl child is very fond of playing taekwondo. Okay, somehow the parents used to justify their mind setup and okay, you can learn taekwondo, but don't participate in any state level or national level competition. So if they are calling their daughter girl as beta and there is just doing that equality in both the kids, so why they are stopping their girl kids? Could you justify it?
In my opinion, they just try to learn everything for the safety purpose, not for other purpose, to go in the competition field and win the game.
Okay, so it is written somewhere that girls are unsafe outside and only boys are safe outside. What is the reason behind this statement?
Normally, they are just old conservative mind, so they don't allow.
We are in 21st century.
But not today the case. If the guardians and parents are educated, they must allow. And they know one, they are both children, boys or girls are equal. They have a chance to win as compared to boys.
Okay. So do you have any sister?
No.
Any male teacher having a sister? Nobody else. So you have.
I have sisters.
Okay. So you all four siblings used to study in the same school?
Then actually, we are 5 siblings. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you all are studying in the same
Yes,
school?
yes, ma'am.
In this school, it was a convent or a government school?
Then initially, we all are in private, but after that, we all are in government schools. Yes, my academic standard in government schools.
So to be very honest, what the things you get and what your sister get? Okay, sisters used to get. Is there any discrimination which you have just noted, but you are just quite okay with it that मैं लड़का हूँ इसलिए मुझे मिला और दीदी है या बहन है तो ऐसा कभी किसी
Actually, I think parents love more than me in my sisters or for my sisters. I think somebody will thank you. Parents very ज़्यादा मानते हैं sisters को.
Okay. Good to know you, sir. Anybody else is there? Anybody else? You are.
मैम आपका क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा एक बार रिपीट कीजिएगा.
मेरा क्वेश्चन है कि आप भाई बहन जो हैं घर पे, आपके भाई हैं जी, तो क्या आप दोनों भाई बहन को एक समान एक ही विद्यालय में शुरू से पढ़ाया गया? हर वो चीज़ एक समान मिला जो भाई को मिला वो आपको मिला?
जी, हमको तो जितना भाई को नहीं मिला उतना हमको भी मिला है, और मेरी भी एक बेटी और एक बेटा है, तो मैं एक ही स्कूल में पढ़ा रही हूँ, एक ही तरह की शिक्षा दे रही हूँ.
Okay, so a big clap for ma'am.
कहने का मतलब है कि मैंने जो भी प्राचीन से हम लोग अगर देखते आ रहे हैं तो आज जो भी परिस्थितियाँ स्थितियाँ हैं महिलाओं के साथ, कहीं न कहीं ये स्थितियाँ पैदा हो रही है. उसका रीज़न क्या कारण है कि सबको मानते हैं कि ये पुरुष प्रधान देश है, तो भी पुरुष प्रधान देश है तो सबसे पहले तो पुरुष को ही महत्व दिया जाएगा, उसमें तो महिलाएं पीछे हो जा रही है. तो कहीं न कहीं महिलाओं को बढ़ावा देने के लिए हम लोग उसको बेटा कह करके उसको मजबूत बनाना चाहते हैं, है ना. तो बेटा कहने का मतलब है कि मुझे एक गौरव प्राप्त होता है ना. तो
आपको आपके नाम से गौरव प्राप्त नहीं हो रहा है और
मतलब पूरी महिलाओं का जो संगठन है पूरा
तो आपको आपके नाम से वो गौरव प्राप्त नहीं हो रहा. इसमें क्या हर्ज है कि मुझे मेरे माता पिता मेरे नाम से बुलाए? कि मैंने कहा नो मी व्हाट आई एम व्हाट आई एम एंड आई वांट व्हाट आई वांट टू बी. आई वांट what you want to be. मैं वो हूँ जो मैं हूँ